Thracha 35. This chapter introduces something kind of new, but it's common as heck. We use it all the time, and it is what we call indirect speech or reported speech. So the examples that they give you are Eirian she shachta klug. Der she, he says, ga, that. That G-O, it means that. Der she ga Eirian she shachta klug. So ga puts in this use, puts an N before a vowel. It also will put an eclipsis on a consonant. So dunen she and doris gach icha. Der she ganunen she and doris gach icha. So it's ga for that. Nach is the negative of it, so that not. Nach nunen she and doris. That he doesn't close the door. So there you go. And then they give you a whole bunch of examples to practice with using der she. But it's not just for der she. You can use this for a lot of other things. Smuinem, anything you would say that afterwards. I think that. I hope that. I wish that. It's the same form for this reported speech. We also would use the relative form of certain verbs. Ta she ansha, der she go will she ansha. So the relative form of the verb is the same as the question form for ta. So unwill, go will. So whatever you use for the question, that's what you use for this reported speech. Nach will, also for the negative. Same as the negative question. Nach will she gema. Nil she ansha, der she nach will she ansha. Okay. Same thing for the past tense. Garev she, nachrev she. Niyaka she or anwaka she, der she gawaka she. So it's the same form as the question, and the irregular verbs is what they're giving you to practice with. So hui she, der she ganyaka she. Right, so you have to know your irregular verbs. It's very important to practice those. Those should also be a chart you're studying all the time. So have fun practicing these, and they'll give you lots of opportunity to use them in the future chapters.